The ROTTOGOON Industrial Floor Lamp combines a slim metal pole with three cage-style shades, giving living rooms or bedrooms a warm loft-inspired look without feeling bulky. Its three standard E26 sockets work with a wide range of bulb types, so you can easily switch between cozy ambient light and brighter task lighting as your needs change. The weighted metal base feels reassuringly solid, helping the tall lamp stay steady even on carpeted floors or in homes with active children and pets. A built-in foot pedal on the long power cord makes it easy to switch the lamp on or off with a quick tap, which is especially convenient when your hands are full. Assembly is straightforward, with clearly labeled parts and hardware that let most people get the lamp standing and wired in within a short time. Overall, this tree-style floor lamp offers an appealing mix of industrial design, practical multi-direction lighting, and sturdy construction that suits many home and office spaces.